Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied crystallization process. So what is the crystallization process? That is the substance to obtain from the supersaturated solution. On cooling that supersaturated solution, crystals are obtained or crystals are formed. 4 steps involved in this process also we have studied in the last lecture. That is, first one step is preparation of a hot saturated solution, then cooling the hot saturated solution, crystallization process takes place and crystals are separated by the filtration process. These points in that crystallization we have studied. Here see, crystallization of common salt or purification of common salt, that is sodium chloride. Here we have to study by simple crystallization process. So in this simple crystallization process, first of all we have to take the common salt plus sand in it. It is as a impurity, or you can take also impure common salt, and that impure common salt can be purified by crystallization process. So for this, what that is the apparatus are the beaker, glass rod. We have to take beaker, then glass rod, burner, as well as we have to prepare its solution in water. Okay, how will you purify or how will you separate the sand present as impurity in that common salt? First of all, we have to prepare. You see, here this is nothing but beaker. In this beaker, we have to prepare what that is the hot saturated solution of the NaCl. Hot saturated solution of NaCl is prepared in it. You see, this is nothing but the hot saturated solution of sodium chloride. Hot saturated solution of common salt. Hot saturated solution of common salt is prepared. Then after the preparation of hot saturated solution of common salt, this solution is allowed to cool. When it is cooled, or before that, you can filter the hot solution, and the filtrate obtained is allowed to cool. Here why we have to filter? First of all, because insoluble impurities present in that solution can be removed. Then filtrate obtained. Filter केल्यानंतर काय येणार? तिथे filtrate येणार. We have studied in the first lecture. That is a solution when filter on the filter paper. The solution obtained in beaker is called as filtrate, and this filtrate is allowed to cool. On cooling the solution, the filtrate, crystals crystals of NaCl form. Crystals of NaCl form. म्हणजे on filter paper, whatever the impurities like sand, that is left on filter paper, because sand is insoluble in water. So that sand impurities are insoluble, that is left on the filter paper. Filtrate obtained, that filtrate is allowed to cool. On cooling, solubility decreases, therefore that excess of NaCl crystals will be crystallizes out and you will get a pure sodium chloride crystals, common salt. These crystals are dried. त्याला ड्राय करून घ्यायचं आहे, प्रेस्ड इन द फिल्टर पेपर, ड्राय, and its melting point is checked whether they are pure or not. In this way, crystallization of common salt or the purification of common salt can be takes place by using the simple crystallization process. Simple crystallization process. Also, one more point here you have to remember, that is the second one example, purification of copper sulfate solution by the same process, that is the simple crystallization process. Purification of benzoic acid by the same process. So what to do? First of all, you have to prepare the hot saturated solution of copper sulfate in water. Here solvent used is water in this process. या प्रोसेस मध्ये water is used as solvent. Water is used as solvent, and this solvent when used for the preparation of copper sulfate solution, then impurities are insoluble in water and copper sulfate is soluble, or copper sulfate is dissolved in it. Right? So see, first of all, solution of copper sulfate is prepared in water, that is the hot saturated solution of copper sulfate is prepared in water. Then that hot solution is filtered through filter paper to remove the insoluble impurities, and that filtrate similarly allowed to cool. Filtrate when allowed to cool, then on cooling temperature decreases, solubility also decreases, and blue colored crystals of copper sulfate will be crystallized out, that is leaving behind soluble impurities remains in the solution. That is nothing but the purification of the copper sulfate solution by the crystallization process. Here see, the next one point we have to study, fractional crystallization. So what is fractional crystallization? This process is used for the separation of, it is used for the separation of two or more crystalline solid. Two or more crystalline solid is present in the mixture. Then mixture of two or more crystalline solids are separated by fractional crystallization. So what is this process? Separation of two or more crystalline solid by repeated crystallization is called as fractional crystallization process. What is the principle? What is the principle of this process? That is the less soluble substance, less soluble solid crystallizes first, leaving behind the more soluble substance or more soluble solid. If two solid substances are present in mixture, then they are separated by fractional crystallization, but they should differ in their solubility in the same solvent. So that two solids should differ in their solubility in the same solvent. They have different solubility. One is less soluble and one is more soluble. So less soluble substance will be crystallizes first during the crystallization, leaving behind the more soluble substance. Here we will take generally, that is the mixture of solid A plus B, and we have to separate this mixture of solid A and B. So here consider what that is the A is less soluble and B is more soluble in same solvent, suppose like water, right? A is less soluble and B is more soluble in the same solvent. So how will you separate that? First of all, we have to prepare hot saturated solution of the mixture of A and B in water. Hot saturated solution of mixture of A and B is prepared in water. Then that hot saturated solution is filtered. का filter करायचंय? To remove the insoluble impurities. To remove insoluble impurities, hot saturated solution is filtered. Now what is obtained? Filtrate is obtained. Now this filtrate is allowed to cool. On cooling, less soluble substance will be crystallized out. Which is less soluble? A, and therefore on cooling A will be crystallizes. On cooling A will be crystallizes. A चा crystallization होईल त्या solution मधून. Now you have to separate crystals of A by filtration. Filtrate करा. फिल्टर पेपरवर क्रिस्टल्स येतील A चे आणि खाली जे अजून फिल्ट्रेट येईल त्याला मदर लिकर म्हणतात. इट इज मदर लिकर. दिस मदर लिकर इज अगेन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड बाय हिटिंग. त्याला हीट करा, त्याला कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करा, and again it is filtered, and that filtered or mother liquor after the concentration by heating is allowed to cool, which is less soluble substance now B. So on cooling that mother liquor, B will be crystallized. Concentrate by heating, and on cooling B will be crystallized. That is nothing but the fractional crystallization. Simple meaning I am telling to you. Mixture of two or more crystalline solids are separated by the process which is called as the fractional crystallization. Principle of this process is the less soluble substance crystallizes first, leaving behind the more soluble substance. In the same solvent, both have different solubility. Here we have taken mixture of A and B crystalline solid. First of all, prepare the hot saturated solution of that mixture of A and B in suitable solvent. in which A is less soluble and suppose B is more soluble. When hot saturated solution is prepared, then filter the hot saturated solution through filter paper to remove insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities रिमूव करने के बाद जो फिल्टर आता है नीचे बीकर में, उस फिल्ट्रेट को कूल करो. कूल करने के बाद क्या होगा, लेस सॉल्युबल सब्सटेंस पहले क्रिस्टलाइज होगा, क्योंकि इस प्रिंसिपल क्या है इस प्रोसेस का, लेस सॉल्युबल सब्सटेंस क्रिस्टलाइजेस फर्स्ट. सो ए इज लेस सॉल्युबल, देयरफॉर ए विल बी क्रिस्टलाइजेस फर्स्ट. ए क्रिस्टलाइजेस होने के बाद उसे हमें सेपरेट करना है. अब हम सेपरेट कैसे करेंगे उसे, तो फिल्टर इट. व्हेन वी फिल्टर दैट सॉल्यूशन, क्रिस्टल्स विल बी प्रेजेंट ऑन फिल्टर पेपर एंड नीचे अब जो बीकर में सॉल्यूशन आएगा फिल्टर करके, उसे फिल्ट्रेट नहीं कहते. सेकंड टाइम वही सॉल्यूशन फिल्टर करने के बाद जो नीचे सब्सटेंस आता है सॉल्यूशन, उसे मदर लिकर कहते हैं. मदर लिकर, एंड दिस मदर लिकर इज कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड बाय हीटिंग. उसे हीट करो and when it is allowed to cool, the second substance B will be crystallizes out. In this way we have first of all obtained A, then here you will get B. The crystals of B again separated by filtration separately, and B substances are obtained, and this process is called as the fractional crystallization process. Any two or more solid mixture are separated by using this process. And now we are to study the next one point here, or next one experiment, that is the process. It is nothing but distillation. It is the simple distillation. Simple distillation process. Simple distillation is used. It is used to purify volatile liquids. Volatile liquids are purified by using this process. Volatile liquids are generally the liquid. That what we will use in the fractional distillation, but see, simple distillation is the process which is used for the purification of liquid. Okay, see the arrangement of apparatus. Before to take the liquid which is to be purified, here this is the liquid which is to be purified. We have to take in this round bottom flask. But remember, before to take that liquid in this round bottom flask, that liquid is filtered through filter paper to remove the insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities remove करण्यासाठी त्याला अगोदर फिल्टर करून घ्या. फिल्टर केल्याच्या नंतर तो लिक्विड या राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क मध्ये ठेवायचा आहे. ओके, राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क मध्ये ठेवला. ऍड सम पोर्सलिन पीसेस इनटू दॅट राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क to avoid the bumping. Bumping म्हणजे काय, स्ट्रॉंग हीटिंग मुळे हे लिक्विड इथं फ्लास्क मध्ये असं जम्प करतं, and therefore porcelain pieces are added which absorb the extra heat. Okay, after that it is fitted with rubber cork. The round bottom flask का rubber cork fit करा, in which one thermometer is placed. Thermometer is fitted. This side tube of round bottom flask is connected to Liebig's water condenser, as it is manufactured by Liebig. Therefore, it is Liebig's water condenser. So this Liebig's water condenser is connected to this side tube of round bottom flask, and it is fitted to the stand. And here there is use of one clean and dry receiver to receive the pure liquid. Right? Now, here in this condenser, from this inlet water come inside the condenser, and from this inlet it goes outside the condenser. Means it makes here cool. This tube which is present in water condenser, that becomes cool. Okay, this is the arrangement of apparatus. This is the arrangement of apparatus. Now, if liquid have or is what that is the heated, then temperature increases if its boiling point or temperature increases and constant at its boiling point. या लिक्विडला आपण इथे हीट करतोय. हीट करताना यू कॅन यूज वॉटर बाथ, सॅन्ड बाथ डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ लिक्विड. Here you see what is water bath or sand bath, like this. Okay, here this is nothing but the liquid taken in this flask, and then that flask is placed in water bath or sand bath. What is the meaning of water bath or sand bath? That is, a water is taken in pot or sand is taken in pot, and then round bottom flask is placed in it, and then it is heated. So which avoids the cracking of this round bottom flask. Now when this is heated, then it will temperature increases, and at its boiling point temperature is constant. It vaporizes. Vapors when touches to this thermometer, mercury bulb, temperature rises and it will be constant at boiling point of that liquid. Now these vapors will be passes through this side too. And when it passes through that condenser, meaning of condenser, it liquefies that gaseous or vapors of liquid, and here it will undergo the liquefaction, and you will find out that liquid droplets will be poured into that receiver. Means here substance undergoes the vaporization, again here it condensed and collected in this receiver. Here the substance obtained is called as distillate. Distillation करून जो substance obtain केला आपण त्याला distillate म्हणतात. फिल्टर करून जो obtain केला त्याला filtrate म्हणतात, याला distillate म्हणतात. ओके. When total substance or liquid present here is distilled out, temperature will start to rise. टेम्परेचर काय होणार? राइज होणार. यू हॅव टू स्टॉप द प्रोसेस. म्हणजे इथे आपण प्युअर सबस्टन्स आणला. हियर सम लिक्विड विल बी लेफ्ट बिहाइंड, दॅट इज द सॉल्युबल इम्प्युरिटीज हुज बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज हायर दॅन दॅट ऑफ दिस लिक्विड. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये जी इम्प्युरिटी आहे त्या इम्प्युरिटीचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट त्या लिक्विड पेक्षा जास्त आहे. Therefore, at the boiling point of liquid, that impurity is not vaporizes, that is left behind in this distillation flask, and you will get here pure liquid. So, as a distillate, and this is nothing but the purification of a liquid by simple distillation process. म्हणजे simple distillation process ने आपण लिक्विडचं purification करू शकतो. This is the purification of liquid. This is nothing but the general method, and in this way this is the diagram, or it is the arrangement of apparatus for the simple distillation process. Here we will take one example, that is the purification of acetone by the simple distillation process. By the simple distillation process, acetone, the boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius. 56 degrees Celsius. Okay. Process you see very simple. Acetone first of all filtered through filter paper to remove insoluble impurities. Then that filtrate obtained acetone is placed in this distillation flask. Distillation flask is fitted with rubber cork having one thermometer to record the temperature. It is connected to Liebig's water condenser and use one clean and dry receiver to receive the acetone. Okay. boiling point of acetone is less than that of the 100 degree Celsius. ज्या लिक्विडचे बॉइलिंग पॉइंट वॉटरच्या बॉइलिंग पॉइंट पेक्षा कमी आहे, then water bath is used here. Here there is use of water bath. Water bath meaning you have to take it vessel, pot, aluminum pot, and in it water, and in it distillation flask is heated. Okay, water bath is used because its boiling point is less than 100 degree Celsius. If boiling point of liquid is greater than 100 degree Celsius, oil bath or sand bath is used for heating. Okay, on heating temperature increases and temperature will be constant at 56 degrees Celsius. La temperature constant, right? At that temperature acetone will be vaporizes, vapors passes to side tube, it get condensed in condenser. Condenser म्हणजे ही ट्यूब कूल केली जाते, कोल्ड वॉटर इनलेट आत येतं, इथे असं फिरतं आणि इथून बाहेर जाते, राईट. म्हणजे कंटिन्युअसली ही जी ट्यूब आहे आतली ही कंटिन्युअसली कोल्ड राहते. सो वेपर्स ऑफ दॅट ऍसिटोन विल बी लिक्विफाईड and pure acetone will be collected here as a distillate. When total acetone will be distilled out from this distillation flask, temperature will be start to rise and we have to stop the experiment because some hot liquid or some liquid left behind in this distillation flask which are the soluble impurities in it. So acetone is purified by the simple distillation process that will collected here as distillate and soluble impurities will be left behind because that impurities have higher boiling point than that of the acetone आणि म्हणून त्या acetone सोबत वेपराइज होत नाही, त्या मागे शिल्लक राहतात. 56 डिग्री सेल्सिअस पेक्षा टेम्परेचर वाढायला लागलं की आपल्याला एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टॉप करायचा. इट्स मीनिंग इज दॅट टोटल acetone is distilled out, whatever the liquid left that is nothing but the impurities, and this process is called as the simple distillation process. So liquids acetone, benzene, water, then carbon tetrachloride can be purified by using the simple distillation process. In the next lecture we will study the separation of two liquids and that process is fractional distillation process.